Mango mumbo mousse on top of lemon curd on top of a white chocolate brownie. Wait till you see how we stiffened our mousse. Start with the lemon curd so it has time to cool down. This small batch cooks real fast. 2 yolks and an egg. Don't throw away those 2 whites. You can use those to make mango mumbo merengues. Just click on that thing so you can watch a short video next. Confound it! That glowing goose mat Dorcas printed out sent us straight through a swamp, a cow pasture, and a cotton picking gift shop that only sold socks. And none of the socks were even building colors. What the kind of clue was that? Wow, 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 wow. Sugar, zest, and juice. Zest the lemon and then squeeze it. Way easier. Only get the yellow part because the white part is bitter. It took us 2 lemons. Pour it through a fine mesh sieve to catch any scrambled eggs we made. Yep, we made a bunch of them. Whisk in unsalted butter. Cover with plastic wrap and let it hang out in the fridge while we make the rest. Hey! I bet that peach knows something. Get it. Well, tickle my teapot and fluff my glitter pillows. They just chase the peach like it owes them rent. Sugar, if they're hunting produce now, this crest is gonna be entertaining. For the white chocolate brownie base, prepare your pan with baking spray with flour. Whoa. Who does that happen to? We'll just get another. Melt your chocolate and butter in the top of a double boiler. You can nuke these 2 to melt them. Too easy for me to overheat it in there. Yeah, then it would split and you'd have to start all over again. Is that another burp? Oh. A kazoo? And the bottle continues to make fashion and nonsense happen. Oh, finally, a clue! About time this ridiculous planet did something useful. We melt the chocolate first, then add the butter. There, perfect. Notice we're using a metal bowl. It lets things cool down faster. Whisk in the rest of your ingredients. Sugar. Each egg 1 at a time. You want to get those whisked in fast so they don't start to cook in the batter. Vanilla extract to complement the chocolate. Flour and kosher salt. Poopy! I told you this was... Don't call me Poopy! Right! Sugar sprinkle stink bomb? Not bitter! No eggs. We don't want eggs. We want the bottle. Look! Ancient cosmic text! It says, beware ye seek who seek the vessel of infinite glittery doom.
Who seeketh the bottle of glimmered eternity?
Silence, Goofoot.
Speak thy intentions true. What dost thou desire of the bottle's power?
Ha! Easy. I want the bottle so I can help people. Fold in half a cup of shredded coconut and bake for 22 minutes. The center will be barely firm. Let it cool completely. Our magic stiffener is freeze-dried mango. Pulverize it. Put it in a separate bowl so we can make the mango puree in the processor. Add in half a brick of cream cheese, 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, lime zest if you have one hanging around the kitchen. Help people. And I wanted to make sparkly cosmic cupcakes and overthrow boredom.
Your desires are deeply questionable, yet chaos has purpose too. Proceed to the next trial, if you dare.
Don't forget the vanilla extract and add the powdered mango back in. We scrape the bowl after each addition. Whisk a cup of heavy cream to stiff peaks and fold the mango mixture in. It only took us like 20 strokes. Reach down to the bottom and bring it to the top while turning the bowl. Do it again. Every once in a while, cut down the center there just to make sure nothing's hiding in the little central fusion you just made, you know. Bridge, please. I've sprinted on this. Remember the caramel gauntlet? The whole caramel incident. Poopy, this is destiny. Say it again. And you're walking home. Was that yelling and marshmallow thunder drama? We love piping. You can use a giant open star and pipe a bunch of meringue kisses on top. We decided to make rosettes all over. But it still looked a little plain. So we gathered mint leaves from the garden, and we have some edible yellow pearls that we didn't use on Antonia's wedding cake. Chill it for at least 2 hours. Lightly covered in the fridge overnight is best. Careful! One wrong step and we fall into the abyss of weird comic sparkles and who knows what. Don't worry, Poopy! Oh, Nadia! But I said stop calling me